Was that delicious?
Oh, I don't think so. Mommy did not exactly smile. Daddy smiled a little, I think. Ready? Asked Daddy.
You know, look what he's reading.
Ready, I said. I was ready to glide and spin.
Yeah.
I was not ready to wobble and fall. But that is what I did. I wobbled and fell again and again and again. Ouch, but my sore bottom wasn't the worst part. I started to cry a little, okay, a lot. Are you alright, Mommy asked. I cry when something hurts too, Daddy said. It's not bad, I will. Look, I pointed at my trail of cotton candy pink and my wet, messy skates.
Let be.
Mommy smiled at me. The ice is pretty, and your skates are one of a kind, Pinkalicious, she said. Just like you. I looked at my skates again. Shades of pink dripped and swirled and swooped all over them. Mommy was right. My skates look fantastic. I was ready to try again. Daddy skated with me
Can do your voice?
and held on my hand.
Yeah, can you do
This
your
time I
normally?
didn't wobble and fall. I was
Sit-
Normally,
very
then
small.
normally.
See, Dad, read normally.
Okay.
There.
That was fun, I said when we got home. I'm glad, said Mommy.
Can you normally?
Because I signed you up for skating lessons.
You do nothing.
My new skates, and I can hardly wait to go skating again. The end.